our love. Kaya ang tanong ni St. John Hughes ay malinaw. If Jesus desires to reign in your heart, do you also desire to welcome Him? And that is the grace we ask for today. When we wake up, ask Jesus to reign in our decisions today. When we face temptation, pray to the Lord to rule over our weaknesses. When we are overwhelmed, whisper to Jesus to establish peace in our hearts. And when we feel lost, declare that may His kingdom come. Because the kingdom of Jesus does not begin in government, in history books, or great events. It begins in our heart, in our thought, in our choices, in the way we love. And Jesus' promises is sure. Heaven and earth will pass away, but my words will not pass away. Kung siya ang hari mo, hindi ka mawawala. Kung siya ang hari mo, hindi ka matatalo. Kung siya ang hari mo, hawak niya ang direksyon ng buhay mo. So today, let us open our hearts. Let us allow Jesus to come, to dwell, to reign, and to build His kingdom in us. Ito ang pinakamimithi ng kanyang puso, at ito rin ang tunay na kapayapaan at kaganapan ng ating